my name is Dana Johnson, and I'd like to share with you today a recipe for tuna, peas, and Shells Macaroni Salad. And you're sure to be able to get your children to eat it, especially because it has those seashells and the tuna in it, and make a little aquatic theme. It'd be wonderful. To start this recipe, I have 1 cup cooked medium-sized macaroni shells. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. And what I did was I cooled them off too. I wanted them at least at room temperature because we're using mayonnaise in this recipe. Also, I'm going to use 2 hard-cooked peeled eggs right here from Eggland's Best. How convenient that they're already done for you. Haha, I love to save some time. So I'm using an egg slicer also. One's on the vertical, one's on the horizontal. Oops, and I have a dice. Egg number 2. So I'm kind of starting out here with the basic ingredients for a macaroni salad, but then we're going to kick it up a bit and put in some peas. These were frozen peas that I cooked already, and again, got those at room temperature too. And I wouldn't go with the canned peas just because I think they're a little bit too mushy, and I think they have a lot more sodium in them, or at least a more sodium flavor. And then here I have a can of tuna that I've already drained. I'm trying to see, 5 ounces. And now I'm going to take a fork and just flake it in. Oh, this is just how it's supposed to look, incorporating wonderful colors and flavors together. And here I have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And I'm going to go with a deli mustard. You can use a regular mustard if you want, but I think this tastes better with the peas and the tuna. I'm just going to use about a teaspoon of that. So now that you've learned how to make the tuna, peas, and macaroni salad, you might want to consider putting it on some bread, making it a sandwich, putting it on a cracker for a snack, or just eating it as a main dish. For other recipes, please see me at danasfamilykitchen.com.